Yoongi, on call. Did you get him? Man, yes, boss. We tied him in the basement. He's screaming a lot. Yoongi stuffed something in his mouth. I'm on the way. Cut the call and respect. Finally, you are here. I waited 6 months for you. Now, where will you run? You can't make fool Min Yoongi. I heard a lot about you. Now it's time to meet you face to face. He drove the car towards his area in full speed. Yoongi reached his basement and saw a boy tied on a chair with a rope. His face was fully covered by a black mask. His head was hanging. Probably he passed out. He went near him and pulled out the marks and threw the water on his face, and he started moving. Yoongi removed the clothes from his mouth and he started taking deep breath. Yoongi grabbed his ears and looked into his eyes. Oh, so you are that imposter who has troubled the entire mafia world. Boy, who imposter? And what do you mean by mafia world? Yoongi, oh, so now you are trying to become innocent, Your this tactics won't work on me. Traced his finger on his face. By the way, whose face you bought today? It looks so pretty. Boy, what do you mean by this? It's my real face. Yoongi, while tracing his finger on his face. Oh, so you mean this pretty face? This round, chubby pink cheeks, this cute button nose, this small chin, and this plumpy lips are real. Traced his pride on his lips. Jimin bite his finger. No, it's yours. Obviously, it's mine. Yoongi, you don't waste my time and tell me whose face you wear today. What is your real face? Boy, of course it's my real face. Why do you think I will wear anyone else's face? Yoongi took out his gun and breathed on his face. Don't lie. One lie and your game is over. Boy, do you think you can scare me by this toy gun? I saw this so many times. Yoongi shoot the glass first. See? Boy, scared. Is it real? Yoongi, any doubt? Boy shook his head vigorously. No. Boy, Yoongi put the gun on the table. Good boy. Now tell me everything about you. How many mafias have you fooled till now? Who is your next victim? Boy, who mafia and victim? What are you saying? I don't understand anything. Yoongi, baby don't understand anything. Boy, yes, grandpa. Yoongi, hey, don't call me grandpa. Jimin, then I'm also not a baby. Don't call me baby. Yoongi pinched his cheek. Who are you? Jimin, Yoongi, oh, you give real expression. I'm impressed by your acting skill. Boy, what the hell are you doing? Do you wanna pull my skin out? Yoongi, it's fake. Boy, are you deep? It's my real skin. Can't you understand this at once? Yoongi, shocked, really squeezed his other cheek. Boy again screamed, what the hell are you doing? Leave my cheek. I'm a living person, not a toy with whom you are playing. Yoongi immediately left his cheek and it turned deep shade of red, which left him in shock. Yoongi, your cheeks turned red. It means, boy, it means it's my real skin, said annoyingly. Yoongi, I can't believe any boy can this much beautiful. Your every feature is just perfect. Jimin, well, you should thank my parents who made me this much beautiful. Yoongi, I will personally thank them. Now tell me, for whom you work? Who is your boss? Boy, I don't work for anyone. No one is my boss. Yoongi, then you are handling this much big racket alone without anyone's help. Impressive. Boy, which racket? What are you talking about? I'm a simple college boy. Yoongi, what? Don't lie, otherwise I will ruin this beautiful face. Boy, I'm not lying, I'm saying the truth. Aman ran there and told to Yoongi that they brought wrong boy. He isn't the imposter. Yoongi untied him. You can go. My man mistakenly brought you here. You aren't the imposter. Boy, that's what I was telling to you from a long time. Yoongi, now you can go. Boy, but how? I don't know anything about this city. I'm new here. Yoongi, don't worry, my men will drop you. Where did they bring you from? Time skipped at home. Yoongi pressed the doorbell and someone opened the door. Yoongi became shocked to see him there and said, Yoongi, you here? Boy, yes, it's my house, so it's obviously I will be here. But what are you doing here? Yoongi twisted his hand and pinned him near the wall. What are you doing here in my house? Boy screamed loudly, Ah, Savior, please help me. Yoongi, Savior? Who's Savior? With how many people have you come to my house? Twisted his hand more tightly. Yoongi was twisting his hair, but suddenly he got a punch on his right thigh. He turned around. Boy, Savior, please save me. See, this man is twisting my hand. Yoongi turned around. Cookie, what are you doing? Cook punched his thigh. Dada, leave Minnie. Yoongi, Cookie, you are hitting your dada for stranger. Cook again punched him. Don't touch Cookie's Minnie. Yoongi widened eyes. Cookie's Minnie. Cook, yes, Cookie's Minnie. Leave Minnie. About to punch. Yoongi left his hand. Okay, see, I left his hand. Cook patted his thigh. Good up, Dada. Minnie, come. Boy kissed on Cookie's cheeks. Thank you so much, my savior. You again saved my life. Cook giggles and showed him other cheek. This one too. Boy kissed on his other cheek too. Thank you so much, my savior. Yoongi, hey, you stranger, you can't kiss my son. Boy, hide behind Cookie. Savior, see, he's scaring me. Cook angrily looked at Yoongi. Dada, don't scare Minnie. Showed him punch. Cookie, hit Dada. Yoongi, Cookie, baby, he's a stranger. We can't allow him to stay at our home. Cook, Minnie, Cookie, together. Let's go, Minnie. Left boy stick his tongue to Yoongi. Bye, Grandpa. Yoongi, you. Jimin immediately ran. Savior! Time skipped after some time. Yoongi came to living room after changing his clothes and saw that boy was looking outside through the window. He was wearing his clothes. Yoongi hates to share his clothes with anyone, especially clothes. Cookie wasn't there. He angrily went near him and pinned him on the glass window and covered his mouth by his hands so that he can't scream. Yoongi started unbuttoning his shirt's button. How dare you to wear my clothes? I don't like if anyone touch my thing, and here you dare to wear my clothes? Boy bite his hand. What are you doing? Leave me. I didn't wear anything inside it. Yoongi looked into his eyes. It's not my problem. I won't mind if you move here. Boy, what a powered man you are. Don't you feel any shame to say this? How can you remove anyone's clothes when you don't know him? Yoongi, if anyone shamelessly came to my house and tried to flirt with my son and wore my clothes without my permission, then at least I can get back my clothes. Finally, fully unbuttoned his shirt. Jimin, it's wrong. What are you doing? It's called. Yoongi looked at him and evil smiled. Oh really? If I come closer to you, came closer to him, leaving no space between them, grabbed his tiny waist tightly, Blow your hair strands who was covering your beautiful face. Blow and say how much beautiful your eyes, nose, this chubby chubby cheeks, these plumpy lips, your every feature drive me crazy. I lost my all the senses after seeing you. Then it's called flirt. If I you this beautiful unmarked skin, put his face closer to him and softly blow, then it's called back away. But did I do anything like this? No, right? Then why are you saying I am you? Why, blessing miss, please leave me. Jungi, what if I say no? Why, then I will scream and call Cookie here. Jungi, oh really? And what if I take you in my room and lock you the door then? Boy, scared. No, you can't do this. Jungi, oh baby, why do you think I can't do this? Why, because you are good mafia. You can't do anything which is against the ethics. Jungi, who told you this? Why, I saw in movies, mafias are really good human being and help innocent people. They won't do anything wrong. Jungi, it can happen only in movies, but the truth is that mafia never follow any ethics. They are cruel and can do anything without any hesitation. Jungi was busy in talking with boys. Suddenly he got hit by the sleeper. He quickly turned Jimin to the side and he quickly buttoned his shirt. Jungi turned around and saw angry Cookie. Cookie, why did you hit me? Cook, cute anger. Data, scare, Minnie. Jimin went to him and kneeled down till his level. My savior. Jungi, I didn't scare him. See, he wore my clothes. Tell him to return my clothes. You know na, Dada doesn't like to share his clothes. Cook, Minnie, no clothes. Cookie, clothes small. Cookie, give Dada clothes. Minnie, Dada clothes big. Jungi, if he doesn't has any clothes to wear, then it doesn't mean he can wear my clothes. I want my clothes back. Cook showed him his gloves. Cookie, hungry. Dada, food, Cookie and Minnie. Jungi, you want me to prepare food for him? Cook licked his lips. Yummy, yummy food. Jungi, whose son are you, mine or his? Cook, Cookie, son, Dada. Love, Minnie. Dada, go. Showed him kitchen. Jungi, yeah, I'm going. What time have come? Dad, I have to cook food for a stranger in my own house. Jungi went to the kitchen to prepare food for everyone. Cookie was happily playing with the boy. Time skipped in the morning. Jungi was sitting in the living room and sipping his coffee. Boy came there and said, Boy smiled. Good morning, Mr. Mafia. Jungi looked at him. Good morning. You wake up this early? Boy sit beside him. My sleep completed. Jungi gave him coffee. Coffee. Boy drink a sip. It's so good. Jungi, yesterday we couldn't talk because of cooking. Boy, I'm Park Jimin. I was fashion designing student. Jungi, okay, but what are you doing here? Jimin, I came here with my friends, but unfortunately I lost them and my all the bags too because your men kidnapped me. Jungi, this is for others. Tell me the real truth about yourself. Jimin looked at him. What do you mean by the real truth? It's the only truth. Jungi, do you think you can fool Min Jungi, the ruthless mafia? Jimin, I don't understand anything. What are you saying? Jungi, do you think you can come in my house and stay here and can get closer to my son without my knowledge? Do you think fooling a mafia is this much easy? Jimin, so it means... Jungi, yes, I know everything. You came here because I wanted you to come here. Jimin, you want me to come here, but why? Jungi, When my men left you at the place where they picked you up, I was also there. I wanted to know your real identity. I wanted to know where you are really innocent or there is any conspiracy against me there. I saw Cookie was running on the road and bodyguards were chasing him and you saved him from getting the hit by the car. I was about to save him, but you came before me. When Cookie saw you, his eyes started shining. I never see his sign this much shiny before. When Cookie wants to take you home, I told my bodyguards to not stop you. I told my team to find out about you within half an hour. Your whole history was in my table, but I wanna listen everything from your mouth, so start now. Jimin, I'm really sorry for taking advantage of Cookie's innocence. I don't want to do that, but I had no option. So I lied to him that I lost my friends and bags so that I can come here. Yoongi, I know that, but why did you choose Cookie? I mean, you can choose anyone, ask anyone's help. This beautiful face help you. Jimin, yeah, I know, but then I won't be safe. By talking with Cookie, I realized he reached very well, so I thought his parents must be humble too. Yoongi, whom are you hiding from? Jimin, as you already have my history, so there is no use to hide anything from you. My uncle fixed my marriage with a rich millionaire for some money. Basically, they tried to sell me, but I didn't want to do this marriage because the man was twice of my age. First, my uncle threatened me for the marriage, but I didn't agree. Then he beat me. I ran away from the wedding venue. Now everyone is searching me. I was searching the way to find myself. Then luckily your men kidnapped me, and rest you already know. Yoongi, why didn't you go to police station? Jimin sadly chuckled. And you think they will help me? They took me back to them. They all are included in this. Looked at Yoongi with hopeful eyes. Can I live here? I promise I don't have any bad intention for Cookie. Yoongi, don't worry, you are safe here. No one can touch you. From now onwards, you are Cookie's caretaker. Yesterday, I saw how lovingly you fed him his dinner. He was looking so happy with you. You gave him those happiness which I can't give him. But remember, don't hurt him. Jamin, I will never hurt him. You trust me and gave your precious son's responsibility. I will never break your trust. By the way, where is your wife? Yoongi, I am unmarried. Jimin, then Cookie. Yoongi, one day I was returning back from my mission. I heard child's crying. I stepped down from the car and found a baby was in box and cried loudly. So I took him at home. Jimin, oh, you are such a nice guy. Yoongi, but remember, Cookie never know this truth. Jimin, he won't know anything. Don't worry. Time skipped after 6 months. It's been 6 months now. Jimin mixed in Yoonkook's life like a sugar, and now he is the most important member of the family. Cookie was so happy with Jimin. Yoongi enrolled Jimin in the college, and he again started his studies, which he left because of his uncle. Yoonmin came closer to each other and don't know when they fell in love, but didn't confess because they didn't think any need to this. Their relationship was much more stronger. Cookie wants to make Jimin his appa, but Yoongi always tricked him. Right now, Jimin and Cookie was dancing in heavy rain, and Yoongi was watching them with big smile. They tried to take Yoongi too, but as we all know, cat hates water, so he didn't go. He was playing music for them. Yoongi, okay now, come here, it's enough. Cookie, no, Cookie, play. Cookie, love, rain. Jimin, yes, and Minnie loves rain too, so Dada should join Cookie and Minnie too and have fun. Yoongi, no, Dada is fine here. You both come here, otherwise you will catch cold and whole day do achoo, achoo. Jimin, but we are having fun now. 5 minutes more, please. Yoongi, certainly. No more 5 minutes. I don't understand. Who is child here, you or Cookie? Come here, both of you. Cook, no. Jikook held Yoongi's hands and dragged him out. Now he was all wet and got grumpy. Cookie was clapping and running around Junmin, who were hugging each other. Cookie's eye energy was on another level. He was so happy. Yoongi picked him in his arms. Yoongi, you naughty boy, come here. Gently pinched his nose. Cook giggles. Dada, Cookie loves Dada. Yoongi kissed on his cheek. Dada loves Cookie too. Cook looked at Jimin. Minnie, Cookie, Appa. Jimin, Cookie wants to make Minnie his Appa. Cook nodded his head vigorously. Yes, Cookie, Appa, Dada. Jimin kissed on his cheek. Of course, Minnie will become Cookie's Appa if Cookie's Dada doesn't has any problem with this. Yoongi, Cookie's Dada will always ready for this. They both together kissed Cookie's each cheek, but a naughty Cookie bent down and they both peeked on each other's lips. Cook happily giggles. Appa, Cookie, Dada, sweet family. Intentionally or unintentionally, everyone became the reason of others' problem. One time tried to become a rainbow in someone's cloud. The end. Author's note. That's it for today. Hope you all like it. This was the requested story for one shot. I hope I didn't disappoint you. This story was requested like this sweet, simple family. No drama, only full with love. So I didn't change anything in this. It was the birthday request. So here is your birthday gift, a story of your choice. Happy? I hope you all enjoyed this simple and cute story. We will meet soon with new story. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.